We put some spices inside.
Is that spices or is that weevil spices?
Might be both.
Yeah, she's already removed about half of them too.
Yeah, that's true. It was full of them before.
Okay. How do you feel like? How do you feel about protein in your rice? Did you?
Great. I'm in shock a little.
You're in shock a little.
No, it's fine.
Clara, are you wasting water?
No, it's salt water.
Oh, is it?
Of course.
How good is Clara? In fact, both of the girls are troopers and adapting extremely well.
Yep. Nothing but quality, people. You can't buy porridge, rice, pasta, flour anywhere in Central America without weevils or weevil eggs. Just having a lovely lunch. Look at the condition. It's just beautiful. And just want to discuss the freediving. We only did a little bit because everyone was really hungry. But what did we learn today?
We're elegant and we're doing it right.
You're going to be using minimal energy and you're being graceful. As soon as you start turning, using your core muscles, you know, using your fins, like what you were doing, Gigi, you were diving down and then going, oh, and then arching your back and then turning around. All these muscles are getting used and it's soaking up your oxygen. So, yes, if you're elegant and not powerful, it's better. Yeah, so we're sort of taking it a bit slowly because we sort of snorkel first and then, yeah, we've got to do it seriously. We've got to be serious. This is a serious vlog. This is a learning vlog and a serious vlog. Did you know that? Did you know that? Well, not so serious and not much learning, but, you know, we could adapt and change. So we want to get you 3 times or 4 times your breath hold by the 3rd week so we can do some good stuff. All right? Who wants to dive through caves? Who wants garlic pasta?
Yeah!
I'm unimpressed, people. If I mention food, their eyes light up.
Maybe
I mention any adventure, bum bum.
No,
I need to get new crew.
True. It's just scary, a little bit.
Scary?
No, I get nervous, maybe.
Yes, scary smerry. Anyway, it's all good. Progress continues, people. I'm trying. Yes, we provide an all-round service on this vlog. We've got yoga, fish eating, and wrecking the boat. 3 things. That's what we excel at, people. What's that one called, Gigi? I think I inhaled a chitra, a sandfly, people. Tastes like chicken. I'm expert at yoga, people. This is pointing to the gods saying good day. And just in case they missed it the first time, she does it from the other side. It's very polite, Gigi. It's very polite. Carry on. And that's, well, I could say a number of things about that.
Oh, Plucky, stop being incorrigible. And this pose is all hail to the very partially successful vlogger who is almost famous, but not really.
You look like a ballet dancer, Clara.
I am.
Were you once?
I was.
Really?
I know, people, I even had to blur out my face because of the lip readers out there, just conforming to YouTube guidelines and not mentioning anything about tearing a new one.
And you know when you do the proper upward dog, or is it downward dog? I don't know, one of the dogs, when you do one of the dogs.
That's enough about dogs, Plucky. Remember, family-oriented show. Yes, I know, a very strange family, but a family nonetheless.
When you sit at the computer for so long,
Your body does not react well. What's up next, boss?
Me?
Yeah, you're gonna hit that coconut on my coconut? I flew the drone too close to Gigi. I suspected she was thinking about throwing that coconut at it. But it's a small drone. It's only a spark, people. She'd have to be a good shot.
I need a heavier coconut.
You need a heavier coconut? Well, there's one right here. Hey Gigi, if you're trying to escape, maybe do it a little faster.
You want to know the baby? How the baby is going?
Oh, the baby? The baby was delivered at about 5:30 this morning. Why? What baby are you talking about? Although... Go on, do it.
It's the yoga baby.
Really?
Yeah, and then you're doing like this.
I think that's a salutation to the gods. Hey gods, thank you for giving me my body. Please take. Show us the candle. So all I have to do is light a fire and stick it between your toes, no? Can you show me the egg cup?
The what?
Do you know how to do the egg cup?
No.
No? It's when you do a headstand with your knees on your elbows.
If you show me, I know what you mean.
Well, you know how to do a headstand?
Yeah.
You know the first part of the headstand?
This one.
Yeah, and then you balance your knees and on your elbows. Yeah. Well, go. Yeah, come on, show us the egg cup, Gigi.
I don't know how to do it.
Well, you just raise that leg and then you got an egg cup.
Like this?
There you go, the egg cup, people. The egg cup of the gods.
There you go.
There we go. There's another egg cup. Want to give her a hand? Okay, you're not quite vertical. You are vertical if you're a drunk.
I don't want to fall. That's just falling down. Oh, sorry.
It's all happening here, people. Provide a variety of services. Sailing. You're not going to die, but you might get close. That's one service. Visiting beautiful places like this. Yoga. Eating fish, crustacea, and miscellaneous other seafood. And that's about it, people. Oh, no. And wrecking boats, or almost wrecking boats completely. That's the vlog. You're welcome, people. You're welcome. Oh, I like this one. This is a good one. Sorry, made a laugh. Shh, shh, people. What's that one called?
That's a back bend.
Oh, is it? Okay. Well, keep bending. Okay, we all done? Yay! We've got a potential crew. She sent me, you know, her credentials. She's a taekwondoer since she was 4, right? And that was worrying me. But I said to her, you're going to give me 10 reasons why you shouldn't beat up your captain. And she sent them back.
First, I promised on phone, do not hit the captain, and I keep my promises.
Alright, she keeps to her word. That's good. Yep. Okay, I like it.
Second, you can leave me in the middle of nowhere and I don't want to risk that.
Okay.
Clever.
Yeah, clever. She understands that, you know, there can be ramifications and consequences.
So third, the captain is the captain and I must not beat up the captain. Well, that's really logical.
I think that's Shakespearean.
Fourth, if I beat you up, you could probably die and I won't survive on my own in the middle of the Caribbean. In parentheses, well, at least not at the beginning.
Okay. So she sort of left a little bit of a... I could do it, and I might survive. If you start teaching me skills, well, the probability of you getting beaten up is gonna go northwards. All right, she's thinking. Yeah, keep going.
Okay, fifth, I don't beat up people I used to like. Well, So she's actually saying she likes you already. That's-
She hasn't met me yet.
Yeah.
That'll change as soon as she gets on the boat, people. As soon as she has to do 3 hours of editing on her ass. Oh, sorry, shouldn't say ass. Yep, keep going.
So next, I shouldn't beat up persons in any way, in parentheses, except they attack me. Oh.
Be it
Just
one.
don't try to cuddle her.
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
that's right. She put that right at the end. Yeah, she's not a cuddler, people. But I said, you know, at the end of the journey, for Instagram pictures, actually just for our general well-being, we've done a 6-day, 7-day difficult passage. We all do a huddle and we have a bit of a cuddle. So I said that and she said, okay, I'll make an exception. But she's probably on her guard, ready to give me a quick jab to my solar plexus. Anyway, go on.
I'm not an aggressive person, and I try not to fight with my fists. It is usually not my style. And then there's a smiley
Yeah.
with a, I don't know what.
It says usually, though. It's not a categorical, is it?
No, it's like
All right.
it could.
What's our verdict on her so far? Is she a winner?
I like her.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Yep. Keep going.
There's no reason to beat up the captain. Didn't we have this already?
I think she's running low on ideas.
Yeah.
Just quietly. Shh. Shh.
Okay, but the next one is more creative, I think. You can learn me kite surfing, in parentheses. I'm not sure if I wrote it right. And I definitely want to learn it. And if you are in hospital, I lose my once.
One chance to
once
learn how to kite surf.
in the lifetime chance.
Well, actually,
so no, I won't hit
her English is perfect if you watch The Simpsons.
the 10th.
Mhm.
As long as no one tries to hug me. Yeah. In parentheses, I don't like hugging. I don't hit people. In parentheses, in fact, that's a true fact.
In fact, that's a true fact.
But at least she got the sense of humor.
Yes, looks like she's got a sense of humour. She actually, I gave her the thing for the vlog, and she watched like 12 episodes, people. I said, hey, take it a bit at a time. We don't want you to get sick before you get here.
Okay, so the last one, the 11th, is, and again, the captain is the captain.
Okay.
It was not as hard as you think. Cheers, Steffi.
Okay, so maybe I should say 5 reasons next time.
Yeah,
10's pushing it, people.
I think.
All right,
so too.
what do you think, people? Make a comment, because we've got to get new crew. These ones are complaining too. These ones are complaining too much about me not shooting enough fish. Enjoy your girls. We're going crocodile looking for, watching. Crocodile. I'll learn you. I can hold that. All right, what's the problem?
I have a little splinter.
Okay, where?
Somewhere in between all the random glitter I have on my hands.
You got glitter on?
I don't know why.
She's having a party when everyone goes to sleep, people.
With the fishes.
With the fishes. Right. You sterilising it?
Yeah.
Alright. You know she's going to have to dig, right?
Oh, I won't do it. She will do it. I can't.
Really?
I could do it.
Really, I can't do it.
Your mum's a doctor.
I can do it on myself, but not on other
Yes.
people.
My mum's a doctor, but I'm not.
Yeah.
That's the appropriate answer. Jesus, I was begging to be hit in the face with that.
What is your mom?
My mum used to have no problems digging
But
stuff.
what did she do? Like,
She was a housewife. She
So
was
you
married
can-
to a house.
so you can also do housewiving.
Me? I know how to do everything.
Yeah.
Well,
Is it the...
Maybe hold this one.
alright. Operation. We've got 3 people. We cannot fail, people.
Let me just...
So, yeah.
Mission Impossible theme. I don't want to be critical,
Do you want to do it?
but you need to actually break the skin to get to the splinter and not gently caress it and say lovely things to it and go, you're a beautiful
come on, you
splinter.
can
You need
do
to
it.
be aggressive, girl. You gotta... I don't know if the camera got that. What were you doing?
Kissing the splitter.
You're giving it... It's just very... yeah, simpatico to everything.
You can do it.
I'm gonna be
I
vicious.
trust you.
I'll be vicious.
I don't know how much I trust you, but
You're gonna have to hold her hand. You might be
No,
2 or
it's okay.
3 fingers less,
it's okay.
but you'll have no splinter.
Maybe I got it.
Maybe you got it. Yes, you got it by talking to it. Come on, little splinter. Come on.
I don't see
You
it
can
anymore.
come out.
Maybe it wasn't so deep as I think.
It's all happening, people, here. I don't know if you'd be a good surgeon, because you'd actually have to cut the patient to get into the organs. You'd be like talking to the outside. Come on, little heart. You can start beating again. Come on. Choo, choo. Yeah, I would have drawn at least 10 drops of blood by now, which is a bit of a pain because then you can't see the splinter. But I figure if you cut it all open and you go for a swim, it'll come out. Well, now she's getting aggressive. I better shut up with the commentary. I might get that needle in the eye. You know these.
Yeah.
You know these pleasant girls. One more comment and whammo, people.
Just like putting a ring on a girl's finger. Whammo, people. Whammo indeed.
Hey, how was Operation Grab the Splinter?
It was partially successful.
What do you mean partially? You barely dug into your skin.
I'm not sure if I got it or not because I can't
Well,
see it.
As I said before, in order to make an omelette, you got to break a few eggs. You have to dig until there's almost blood. Anyway. Here, crocky. Here, that's far northwest. Crocodile call. If you're in North Queensland or in the Gulf Carpentaria, it's here, crocky. Now, to the untrained ear, you might say that they're identical, but they're not, people. Are you interrupting my bit?
No, it's so bad.
You're interrupting, Clara.
To
She's
join
got
your
no.
crocodile song.
Oh, come on, start.
Okay, we have this German. Schnee, schna, schnappi,
Oh, yeah,
kleine
yeah.
Krokodil. Schnee, schna, schnappi, das kleine Krokodil. And it gets like bigger and bigger, and in the end it's a really big crocodile.
Wow, I like that. All right, let's do that when we're going to find the croc. This is not Harry we're after. Harry's over there, and I think they killed Harry. We're going after Bernadette. Bernadette.
No, I didn't. No, he is not there. He is
No, I'm at the back.
in the back, yeah.
Yeah, Bernadette the crocodile. No relation to Harry at all. She's a bit of a bitch, Bernadette. Shh, just quietly. I'm gonna say that. The B word in front of the girls. Or the C word. I was thinking the C word, but I said the B word, people.
Coming up next episode.
Look, you can see it. So it's about half the size of my hand.
Yeah, I know, people. I had to cut it short. The internet towers here in the jungle run on kilobytes per second upload speed and sometimes bytes per second, which means uploads are a drag. But it will only be a couple of days, so see you then. All on Sailing into Freedom!